Hello, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus, and today guys I'm back again with another interesting project. This one is an actual game which is working, which you can play, and there is also a giveaway in this video, so watch till the end. $1,000 to be won, 3 places. First place is $500 and then there is other 2, but I'll show you the contest later on. So if you want to participate, just go and watch the video. So guys, Battle Fort Knox presents BFK Warzone, play to earn 2D shooter and NFT Marketplace. I will show you how it works in just a second. First of all, we will obviously go through the website because that's what we usually do, and then we can jump into other stuff. So before we get into the video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into it. What is definitely worth mentioning straight up, I would say, is the fact that they are trending on Gecko. As you can see, here they are. And this is quite nice to see, okay? This is quite nice to see. So obviously, as they are trending, they have to be listed, and so they are fully listed and tracked on CoinGecko, as you guys can see. So if you need to, I don't know, do some sort of calculations or trade, you want to buy it, then you can head over to CoinGecko and get info here. As you can see, they've been performing quite well, really outperforming a lot of other tokens when it comes to the price growth, and also when it comes to overall growth of the project itself and of the game itself. As you can see, the chart is really looking nice here. Definitely it has a lot of potential to grow, especially due to the fact that this is still, we could say, brand new, okay? 5 million fully diluted for a game. Comparing this to, I don't know, Axie Infinity, for example, like, this is super low and has a lot of potential, really undervalued currently, I would say. Alright, so BFK is presenting a simple yet specialized gaming ecosystem in which our native token will be used as the currency for our play-to-earn shooter and our NFT marketplace. We are designing an interactive marketplace where our NFTs will feature as in-game playable characters that can be used to earn tokens in multiple game modes. Challenge your gaming buddies to 1v1 or join forces to take down bosses in dungeon-style gameplay. They also kick in some events from time to time in which you can participate. There is one event that will be actually coming soon, I think in a day or 2, but we'll go over that in a second too. Here is the game showcase. I mean, I guess I can show you that, because why not? Let's see what they have here. That's how it kinda looks. Looks clean if you ask me. Definitely nice for a play to earn NFT type of game. Graphic wise it's also kinda cool, and yeah, in my opinion overall it's looking good. That's what we'll be checking out in a second. You can buy the soldiers, or forties as they are called, of a marketplace or even of a community marketplace. It has a lot of possibilities. You kind of get the idea, right? Alright, let's move on. So here we have some project highlights. First of all, NFT Marketplace, where you can buy, sell and upgrade your NFTs. Simple and focused tokenomics, 5% on buy, 5% on sale. So when you head over to your favorite pancake exchange, if you want to buy some BFK, you need to hit that settings button, apply 6% of slippage to cover that 5%, and then with 1 BNB, looking at minimum received, because this is important, you can get 123,000 BFK, and I'll show you how many soldiers you can get with that, for example. Use case NFTs, because they are playable, anti-bot and NFT game. There is a short little FAQ here, some features of the token itself, right? And basically from the feed they will be able to further develop the project and provide some marketing without taking away from financial support of the community. So in my opinion it's fair to have this little percentage, because in the long run it helps everyone. It helps them do the marketing stuff, it helps them developing the game, and also it helps the holders because they can profit from the price growth. Well, that's how I interpreted it. Then we have the roadmap here, as you can see. Basically they are focusing on staying active with the community, which I really like, on listings as well, dropping some AMAs, doing influencer marketing, doing some more marketing push, right? What else? They will be doing some nice giveaways, and well, there is also a giveaway in this video, as I said. So that's really nice, and there will be more phases, obviously. I mean, the roadmap will keep on being updated, right? Here we have the partners. As you can see, we have Certic, for example. They are undergoing the audit. They have a nice security score. You can obviously vote them here if you want. They have Skynet running, so it's good because you can see all the informations here, and they are keeping really good score, not looking at the market volatility, which usually is like that for a majority of the new projects, so it's okay, but the most important statistics are those which, as you can see, are all in green. So we are waiting for them to release the PDF. It's still in progress, so that's okay. Should be definitely coming on soon. And yeah, it's nice to see that they are doing the audit with Certic, in my opinion the best auditing company currently on the market, and I'm not sponsored by them, just saying that because I know what they are capable of. Also fully listed tracked on CoinMarketCap, we can vote them good here, not gonna spend too much time there. Let's dive into the tokenomics. So here is the 5%, and as you can see, it's not like they take the whole 5% for the marketing and development. There is also some nice benefits for you guys. 1.5 in fact goes to development and 1.5 goes to marketing, and the remaining 2% is going to liquidity pool, obviously rising the price floor and benefiting all the holders long run, and game prizes. Okay, game prizes 1% as well. That's how they can keep everything sustainable, and that's a nice way to keep your ecosystem. Same with cell tax, both are the same. Here you can see some of the NFTs. What else you can see here? Card displays and FAQ, as well as Telegram and their white paper. So if you want, you can go over that as well. Not gonna focus on that in the video because it would take too long, so it's okay. Before we jump into the marketplace, they also have this nice little mini game, which is actually kind of cool. It's like a tower defense game, right? And let me show you. So basically, you know how tower defense works, guys. I think you do. You have different towers, right? And they have their own, you know, specific statistics. You can upgrade them. And for example, I don't know, you can set up some soldiers if you want. I don't know, let's set a few up. I'm not good with tower defense games, I can tell you that. So don't hate, guys, please, thank you. And then you can hit the wave and lose the game, just like me, because I'm bad. Oh, maybe actually there is potential to win this wave, because it's an endless game after all. It's a tower defense, that's how those type of games work. I mean, it's a nice little touch that they have it here, kinda cool. You can also upgrade your towers, from what I understand. Yeah, for example, this one, as you can see, I just upgraded it and it has a bigger range now. You can also set up different types of towers, right? You have this like air one, fire, water and earth, and I believe they are all, you know, good in some way for different enemies. That's how I think it is. 1700 high score. Here is a little leaderboard. I'm not even gonna question how they did that. I don't know. I mean, if they did that, I guess it's possible. But well, you know what it is. Alright, so now let's focus on the marketplace. That's the most important part. It basically shows you how much NFTs you own, how much BFK you own. You log in with your MetaMask, then you just create a nickname as well, and you can have your account. So as you can see, there is this limited event as well. And if you want, you can go ahead and participate. I just got logged out. Let me log back in, 1 second. Okay, I'm back in. So first of all, you have Armory, where basically you can customize your characters. You can have all of your power-ups, right, of all of your utilities here. And you have 40s, which are your soldiers. And for example, here is this limited edition 40, which is a free-to-play one. If you click on him, you can see his statistics, right? You can see his skill level, all that kind of stuff, sale history, just like with other NFTs. Bootcamp, you can basically bootcamp your 40s, as it says. Then you also have BFK Market, and that's where you can buy different weapons, that's where you can buy different soldiers. For example, I don't know, let's say you want to buy, who you want to buy potentially? you want to buy Paratrooper, let's say, and he's 15,000 BFK. That's the price. Here you have the seller, last buyer. Again, you have the statistics, and you can buy him if you want, and 15,000 will calculate into 0.11 BNB, so that's how much, like 70 bucks I think. So they are not that expensive, and it's also play to earn, so it's kind of cool. There is community market too, in which, as you can see, some people set them up for 2 million BFK. I mean, okay, it is what it is. Some of them are cheaper, some of them are expensive. Obviously, you need to look around and kind of see what you're interested in. There is also leaderboard, bits, and library, as well as about. So as the game will keep on progressing with the development, more features will be revealed, so that's kinda cool if you ask me. I would really appreciate if you guys can tune in into their Twitter as well as Telegram. They're active on both of those. They have really nice and integrated community, dropping giveaways left and right, informations, you know, all the good stuff basically, so you can go ahead and join. And now I think it's the proper time to tell you about the contest. So here is the contest, BFK Warzone Recruitment Contest, $1,000 giveaway, as you can see, in collaboration with your boy, okay, with your boy. So they have some informations here, that's what they have here, and then you have 7 ways to enter. I think there will be 8 ways after all. There will be also possibility to follow my Twitter to get some additional entries. Really easy steps. You just, I mean, for just entering your BSC wallet, you already participate, so you know how it is, okay? For watching this video, you get 2 entries as well. So it's really easy. It will take you like 1, maybe 2 minutes to participate, even 30 seconds, and you can win. How much it was? 500 for the first place, second place is 300, and third place is 200. In my opinion, really worth to try. Doesn't cost you anything, and you can always get some free money out of it, so it's cool. So we will be ending this here, guys. Oh, actually we will not be ending this here. I also want to show you the game log just before. In game log, you can basically see what changed. I'm sorry. In game log, you can see what changes have been done into the game, right? So it's basically change log, if you ask me. And they keep on updating you here. Security level was also updated, super important. New 40s, all right, that kind of stuff. So I would really recommend you to actually go ahead and kind of check it out, because well, you can get most informations out of it, I guess. That's where you can find all the info about changes, how dashboard looks, and that type of stuff, the improvements, adjustments. So yeah, I think we'll be ending this here, actually. So if you will be interested in checking them out, guys, you can go ahead. The link is down below. Also, you can participate in the contest, link down below as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you tuning in, and see you guys in the next videos coming out soon.